Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share the September 2024 Flavors of the Month kit. So our Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You can also add on more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments if you'd like. Along with your kit, you're going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts, and our design team creates them for you. And then they share their cutting and assembly instructions so that you can create right along with them, so you have instant inspiration to start working with your kits. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file, and this month it is this awesome cut file here with the rainbow and the suns and the clouds with the title Shine From Within, so it's perfect for some of our collections, especially Chamel's collection. So be sure to grab up all of those freebies that come along with your kit. Our 4 collections this month include B. Valent's Sketchbook. We have Bella Boulevard Teen Vibe Carson and Sweater Weather from Echo Park, a beautiful fall collection, and then Chamel's Reason to Smile. So you can see we have a wide variety of themes this month. Lots of different projects that you can create and document this month. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these beautiful collections. The first collection we're going to look at is Sketchbook by B. Valent. This is a beautiful kind of pink and purple collection. We have touches of this aqua blue in here. It's just gorgeous. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called A Fresh Start, which is these beautiful florals. The back is a 2-toned stripe in that blue. And we have this paper that is a 2-toned pink, kind of looks like a wallpaper print, and that paper is called The Good Life. The back side is a brushstroke stripe with all of the different colors you're going to find in this collection. This paper is called Love Love, which is hearts on the purple watercolor background, and the back is a check print and rainbow diagonal with all of the different colors. So one more look at the papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of different embellishments. So you'll get 1 strip from the tag paper. So all of the embellishments will vary, but this is the one that I received. Beautiful tags with icons on one side, and the back side is blank so that you can use it for journaling. You could also put a small photo in there as well. You're going to receive some of the puffy stickers. So these are the ones that I got. I got a title and then a little icon and some little sprinkles. And then you're going to receive some of the icon and journal ephemera pieces. So these are the ones I got. Again, some icons. There's some vellum pieces in here, gold foiling, so it is just gorgeous. So that is Sketchbook by B. Valent. Our next collection is the Teen Vibe Carson version by Bella Boulevard. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This paper is called Control Freak with all of the gaming controls. The back is a 2-toned star print. This paper is called Let's Talk, and it has all of the sayings that little teenage guys are kind of saying nowadays. Legit, savage, bro. The back is a 2-toned orange star print. And we have this paper called Athletic, which has the basketballs, footballs, baseballs on the gray. And then the back is a play on stripes with all of the different colors from this collection. So one more look. Pattern paper. You can see it covers a wide variety of things for teenage boys. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of icon and word ephemera pieces. So all of these will vary. You're also going to get some of the epoxy stickers, and these will vary in color. So that is Teen Vibe from Bella Boulevard. Perfect for all of your boy layouts. Our next collection is Sweater Weather from Echo Park. So I don't know about you, but I am ready for fall. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. Our pattern paper is this beautiful sunflower and pine cones with the floral on the light blue gingham. The back is a leaf pattern in that rusty color. This paper is called Sweater Weather Floral. Then we have a beautiful leaf pattern with the flight pattern on it on the white. The back is more of the little leaves and that kind of light blue green. That paper is called Breezy Leaves. And then we have rows of leaves and rows of pumpkins. These are gorgeous. And the back is a chevron type print in the green. And this is called Hay Pumpkin. Just love the colors in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. So all of the embellishments will vary, but these are the ones I got. It's the alphabet and then some larger icons. And then you're also going to get some of the brads. So I got 3 of these small sized brads. So that is Sweater Weather from Echo Park. Our final collection is Reasons to Smile by Chamel. And this is the bright, vibrant collection that's very much Chamel style. You're going to start with 2 sheets of coconut swirl cardstock. This paper, Radiate Positivity, which is a rainbow and with all of the positive quotes. No rainbows without rain. Do something for you. Radiate positivity. The back is a really pretty print. It's like a brush stroke painted background. So it's tone on tone yellows with hearts and little starburst. This paper is called Thrive Now. It's a gorgeous floral. And another floral on the turquoise background. All of these have full branding strips of the opposite side of paper, so it gives you a little bit more options. This paper is called Snap Away, so Chamel always includes a camera paper, so this is fun because we have just the outline drawing, and then we have some that are full color cameras. The back is a 2-toned pink polka dot. So again, you can see all those bright, beautiful colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of embellishments on this one as well. So you're going to get 1 of the sticker sheets. All of these will vary. You're going to get some of the icon and journal ephemera pieces. So there's vellum included in some of these as well. And then you're going to get some of the enamel dots. So again, all of those will vary, but that is Reasons to Smile from Chamel. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to come over to the Facebook group and the blog, check out all the challenges and the inspiration. Don't forget to download all of your freebies that come along with your kit. And we want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.